Hi, my name is Deborah and I live in the San Francisco Bay Area. Owning rental properties and achieving cash flow is my plan to help me replace my current income and retire in the next 5 years. Prior to working with Casey, my obstacles were finding a market, how to buy a property out of state that would need some amount of rehab, and how do you do that? I think my biggest obstacle is fear, and Casey will help you overcome that. I chose Casey's program because she's an investor herself. She knows the ins and outs of buying properties and doing the rehab. She knows how to find the properties, how to hire and work with contractors, and how to find good quality tenants. In the time I've worked with Casey, I've been able to zero in on a market, and now I feel that I am more focused and I'm learning my market and I'm not scattered all over the place. Casey helps you learn to find properties. She goes over financing, dealing with contractors, what materials to use, what to stay away from, how to manage your property, how to find good quality tenants. I highly recommend taking Casey's course if you want to buy an investment property but you don't know how to start or what to look for. In my experience with Casey, I found that she goes above and beyond. I do have one rental property that I purchased before working with Casey, and Casey guided me during our weekly meetings through some issues that have come up with that tenant, and I really appreciated her help. Casey's weekly modules are very thorough. She shows up for every meeting on time and is very prepared to go over that week's homework and to answer any and all questions you may have. Casey is an investor. She shares what she's learned. She tells you what the pitfalls are. She gives you helpful tips that I never would have thought of. She keeps you accountable, and she will help you go from being scattered to being focused, finding your market, and taking action steps to get your first property.